Here is one of those Hilux Champs I told you about that's done in a different way. This is the obviously an overlanding off-road or overlanding build on pretty I'm not trying not to be mean, but it definitely needs better tires, but this thing is absolutely cool. Totally wouldn't mind buying one for a daily. Nothing special about this. It's Zuzu. Wrap, wheels, slight lift, tires, camper shell. This right here is pretty dope. Crazy G-Wagon lifted. See what else we got here. Have a IA90 Supra with the Liberty Walk kit. Actual top secret R35 demo car. If I didn't mention it before, the show series, every year they import in on temporary permits for show and display. They import in about 6 to 8 vehicles from Japan every year. This being one of them. So it's cool to see a top secret car in person, in the flesh, that you know, not available stateside. This is one of them. They're still using it as their in-house demo car. Right here is my friend Poon. He is the, I don't know what his technical title is. He works at Kevman's or KevTech. That they're known for their carbon fiber seats. My buddy Peter absolutely loves their seats. So he is the, I guess, creative designer director for Kevman. So this is one of his designs on the wide body kit. They did a demo at the previous auto show, installing the kit start to finish. So they took a brand new or slightly used Mustang. This is a regular EcoBoost. They don't have the GT here in Thailand, or if they do, it's really expensive because of the way they tax the engine size. So they did the full wide body demo install in raw parts, but everything was in carbon or gloss black, and then now they wrapped it and did the whole Moon Eyes feel for it. They have a collaboration deal with Moon Eyes with a lot of people that I know here in Thailand, so it's pretty cool to see this in person. Kit fitment's pretty good overall. Boone did a good job, and he has a certain style that he designs wide bodies with, and this is pretty much where it's at. And looks like he painted all the panels, but you can see that they ghosted in. You can see the carbon pattern, but then it's faded to black, so that's kind of cool. A little bit of thought and detail. Personally, myself, nothing against Boone, not my style wide body, but he likes this and that's him, and it gets a lot of attention, so mission accomplished for them. Anyways, let's get back to looking at more cars. This is originally a Celica GT that has been converted into the Lightning McQueen car. I covered this last year. This thing's really cool. I can't really see out the windshield. I've seen them open the door before, and yeah, it's like driving blind, but this is for show and demo only for a shop called PS Modified. See, this is one of the BYD that's bagged with wheels. RX-8. Our Yamaha FD RX-7. suspension. This company, I guess, distributes a lot of brands of parts. Some Maybachs and luxury vehicles here on display. Here we have a nice little row of 90s, 80s, and 90s cars. Really clean R32. Supra. One of the other gentlemen that is friends with Paul owns this car. Full-on Veilside car. It is a car that has been absolutely crushing it on the internet a few months ago. Pretty viral. W202 C-Class with a really crazy DTM style wide body kit. Obviously this thing fully done up. Looks really good. Caged up and everything. The only thing I'd never understood with the cages in Thailand, not complaining, but they do all this crazy work, but yet their cages are still bolted together. They don't go with a full welded cage. If you're going this far, you might as well engineer it correctly, even though I know this is a show car, not a race car. And then the big downside is this right here. Ouch. All right, let's go check out some more cars. The Veilside Nissan Z. I think it's in the new Fast and the Furious. I haven't watched the series in years, so. Here is the Nissan, Bentley Veilside. There's a Veilside Premier or 509 GT. Full backstory, this is the original demo car that was at Tokyo Auto Salon decades ago. It's been here in Thailand for a few years, owned by somebody else, and now has traded hands to the new owner. The owner of Veilside did a little welcome congratulations ceremony for the car last week. Another car at Tokyo Auto Salon that they shipped in. Mazda MX-5. This is a local car in Thailand. I was here last year for the show also. And a very cool update to Pole Garage Uniques S2000 here, center stage, main area of the show. Did a wrap, kind of update the look a little bit, make it pop a little more. It looks really good. Right here is one of Pole's longtime good friends and customers. This wide body MR2 is what helped put Garage Unique on the map internationally. Very wild car. Very insane wide body setup. He's done some other revisions over the past year or two. More carbon accents and whatnot, but yeah, pretty wild car. I forget what engine it has, but it pushes a lot of power too. It's another vehicle from Japan, Cole Racing's Toyota Prius. And this next right here is one of my favorites here at the show. Top secret 880 Supra MK4. And if I'm not mistaken, this is actually one of the legit top secret cars that was shipped in from Japan, and somebody here owns it. I think he's a celebrity. I've seen it floating on social media, but yeah, car looks amazing. And top secret, another R35 GTR demo car shipped in from Japan again. Alright, let's go ahead and check out some other cars and some other booths. Let's start over there and work my way to the front of the hall.